Hello, lovely viewers. I welcome you to Omades. And Omades page is created to educate the general public on how to use some certain softwares like Corel Draw, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop, and other softwares to make your office simple and convenient for you. And please, if today be the first time you are visiting the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, you like, and if you have any comment too, you drop it under the comment section. And please, you press the notification bell, then you select all so that you not miss out any new videos that I will upload. So today I want us to create a very simple notepad cover, notepad or jotter cover. Yeah. And first of all, jotter is a small pad or a notepad used to keep notes or used for jotting. Okay, it's a small book. Normally, if you want to jot something down so that you not forget, that is jotter or notepad. So I want us to learn how to create a cover for such notepad. Okay, so it's a small book, like I said. So first of all, we'll take our page size. We can customize it. So this one, because it's for tutorial purposes, let's take A5. Okay, A5 is a half of A4. Okay, A5 is a half of A4, and this is the size. Okay, so now we need to create something to make the cover catchy. Okay, so and normally notepad are normally meant for some companies and meant for some institutions. Okay, so we'll choose a very simple name here. Let's say this is our name. Star. This is our name. Star Colors. Sorry. Star Colors Drive. Yes. This is our name. Let's say this is our company name or institution name. So now, after you have typed, I want the star to be alone. So you double click here, then you press enter, so that from the colors going, you will come to the next line like you have seen. Then I want to work on the star alone. So you come to object, then you come to break a text. Then you click on and it's break. Okay. Now I want to work on this one, so I will choose a very special font for it, or I can just leave it this way. Okay, let me bold it, and I'll put emphasis on the star. Okay, and depends on you as a designer. To me, this is the emphasis I'm coming to put on, and you can also create yours. Okay, it's just for tutorial purposes. So you come here, you choose the star, you draw. Star is normally, the size is normally 5. Okay, so you come here, then you type 5. Okay, good. Then I delete the A and I give it a space. Okay, now I put it here like this. I can still bring the R back a bit. Oh, this one is okay. Yeah, then I copy one out, I fill in black, then I weld it. Okay, good. So it has well together with this one. Now I choose interactive fill, then I fill in my colors. As the name suggests, star colors, so I can choose any color that I want. and you can also choose colors that you want. Okay, so star colors. I just want to put emphasis on the star. That is why I'm doing that way. Good. Star colors. Good. Then let me see. Oh, this one is not good. You're still watching Omades, and please, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, then you press the notification bell, you select all, so that you receive all alerts of our new videos. I don't want this one, so I go to undo. This is the undo sign. You click on till you reach where you like. Okay, now I come here. Okay, then I come to contour, then I come here, outside contour, I click on, then I reduce the size by holding here. Okay, good. I can add another line. Good. This one is good. So after you right click, you break contour apart. After you break it apart, you ungroup all objects. Good. This one should go away a bit. Now I can still choose colors for this one. Let me see. Or I can still blend it by using the interactive fill. Good. Interactive fill, and I blend it. Okay, I blend it this way. Interactive fill. Yeah. This is not bad. Okay, let me bring the white. You pick the color, then you drop it along this line. Okay, yeah. Now let me try and change this one also and see if it will be okay. No, let me maintain this because I'll give it a very nice ungroup. And let me blend this one also. Interactive fill. Good. Now after I group it, okay, so this one is the main heading, star colors. Then I take rectangle tool, I draw a rectangle like this. This one should be outside. Draw a rectangle like this. I draw a rectangle like this. Then let me fill in color. The color shouldn't be too much, so I'll pick a color from the star. Let me pick this one. Good. I remove the outline. Every object that you draw, every shape that you draw at Corel Draw, it has an outline. It comes with an outline. So I want to remove it. You either click, you use the right click That's the right bottom of your mouse to remove it like this. Let me go undo, or you come here, then go to none. It's all the same. Okay, I stretch it a bit, then let me take this, I draw here. Good. Then I'll copy the same thing here. Okay, then I come here as smart fill, I click here. Okay, I click here, I click here. Now when you finish, you select all by pressing the shift key on the keyboard. You click on this, then you press your hand on a shift, then again, then again. I've selected all, then I delete the original one. Now I bring it back. I want to do some small thing here, that is what I'm doing. So then you open this one a bit, you draw it back, then you open it a bit like this. Good. Then I remove the outline. I've already shown you how to do it. Okay, remove the outline. Then you're still watching Omades. You can give a different color for this one. This is my main color. So then after, you come here, pick this one. Sorry, you pick this one, and you pick a color from here, you drop it here. The color is still inside, you drop it here. Okay, good. Then I take this rectangle again, I draw something like this around it. Okay, then I fill this with the same color of this. So you pick this, then you pick this color, then you fill it inside here like this. Okay, good. And this one is a bit bigger, reduce it a bit. Then I group it so that I can move all together. Then I put in this one. When you put in, because this one was first typed, it will go under this. So you right click, you go to order, front of page. Good. And I can maintain the font or I can change it. Okay, good. But I want to maintain it. So star drive colors. Now this is our heading. Let's group all together. This is our heading. So what again, I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Please, if you have any comments, please drop it under the comment section. Now I take this freehand tool. I want us to create something nice. You click one, you come here, you double click, then you double click here, you double click, and one click. If you double click, it means you want to continue the shape. If you click once, it will end. Okay, example like this, I take it, I click once, then you stretch it, you double click, it continues. You double click, you double click. If you continue, if you click once, it will end. So that is how this freehand tool is used. Okay, now I want to work on this one. So I'll take the shape tool, sorry, and work on it. I drag it down here like this, and drag this one here also like this. I close this place, then I work on it. Please, if you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section and we'll be happy to reply you. Thank you. Then you do something like this. I'm not saying you should do the same thing, but I'm just creating a very nice cover for a Notepad or Jotter. If you just join, we are designing a cover for Jotter or a Notepad. Good. So after this, then I take this color eyedropper. We used to pick a color, okay? Then I pick a color from here. I want this color, sorry. I pick a color from here. Then I fill here. I copy the same shape. Let me remove the outline first and stretch it to the end here. Stretch it to the end here. Good. I copy the same thing like this. Okay, then I work on it by dragging it to this place. Okay, yeah, like this. Then that one too, I fill it with a different color. Take the eyedropper, then I pick a color from here, I fill it. Good. Then I can also do another one by copying these two, place them here, then I click here, I drag it to this place so that I'll stop working on it. Yes. Then I'll just change the color. Or for educational and tutorial purpose, let me do it one after the other like I did the first one. I copy this one, okay, then I copy it again. How do we copy it? With the mouse, okay? You hold it with the mouse by pressing the left button of your mouse, you drag it somewhere, wherever you like, then you right click, okay? That's the shortcut to use. That's the how we use the mouse to copy it in a shortcut form, okay? Good. Then this one to give it another color. Give it another color. So what color? Let's give something like ash or okay, white. Okay, then what again? Because it's white, you know, see, no problem. You copy it again, then give it a different color like this. Good. That one to it goes here like this, okay, goes here like this. I hope you're enjoying the tutorial, and here still remains Omades. Good. And you control the shape by holding these arrows, okay? When you click the end here, it will give you this arrow. Normally there are two, okay, one here, and if you double click here too, it will bring another arrow, you see, here and here. And if you continue double clicking, it will bring another arrow, okay? Good. And you hold those arrows to control your shape. Okay, now I'm not yet done. After I click on this one, the first shape, then I come here, then I click on blur, Gaussian blur, then I blur it a bit, okay, not too much. I blur it small, okay. And the reason why I give it a color before blending it is that after you blur it, you cannot give it a color, okay? it will not be editable anymore. Then you do the same thing here. Click on the yellow, come here, blur, Gaussian blur. Then I blur that one also. Good. Then I come on the white too. I do the same thing. Here still remains Omades. Okay. Now I do the last one also. I can leave it straight, okay, but I just want to create something meaningful, something nice there. That's why I'm just giving it a blur background. So after this, then come back to the rectangle tool again. I draw it, okay. Then I pick this eyedropper tool. Then I pick a color from somewhere here. Let's say this. I fill here, okay. Then I pull it somewhere here, okay. Then I want to work on it, on this shape, with this shape too, okay. And because I draw it straight from a rectangle tool, I need to convert it. But note the difference between this rectangle tool and this freehand tool is that if you draw something straight from this freehand tool, you can just apply the shape tool on it straight, okay. You click here, okay, then you click here, convert to curves, then you start working on it, okay. If you double click here, you can work on it straight, okay. But as for rectangle tool, before you can use the shape tool to work on it, you have to convert it, that one also, to curves, okay. So you come here, object, then come to convert to curves, okay. So after that, and before that, note, let me go to undo and see. If you take the shape tool and you click on, nothing will change. It's not editable, okay. Good. But after I convert it, object, convert to curves, you take the shape tool, you click, you see this sign, it means you can curve it. You click here once, then you come here, convert to curves, then now you can work on it, okay. You see the two arrows that I was talking about, they are here, so you can just regulate it with these two arrows. I want it to take this shape, okay. Good. So after this, I'm just creating a very simple design, okay. I don't want any complex one. I want it for just for beginners, and even for advanced also can use. Good. Now you right click. I want this one to go behind the shape that or the colors that I drew first. So you right click, order, back of page. Good. Let me double click and work on this one. That will hide somewhere here. Good. Good. Then you remove the outline. You remove the outline. Okay. Good. Now you see, now we are getting a very nice design here. Good. Now let me group it. Let me group it all. Or I can apply this interactive tool on it, or I can just leave it just like that, but I just want to work on it small, and I add a different color. Okay, add a different color. Good. Good. Now let me write the main content here. The main content. Main content, that is Jotter or Notepad, but I want Jotter. Jotter. I hope the spelling is okay. Jotter. Okay. Now you can change the font size, then the font style also by clicking here. If you have any font in mind, I like this font. Shit happens. It's my favorite font. Jotter. Good. Then I give it a color. Then I create a small design here by taking the rectangle tool. This one, it has to fill the page correctly. Okay, so I drag it here. Then I check the other side also. Good. Put it here. Okay. Now, Jotter, I want to give it an outline or shadow, so I copy one like this. Okay, I copy one like this, then I fill this one with black, then I drag this one over it like this. Okay, I've gotten my shadow. Or I can blur this one like I did to the shapes. Okay, come here, blur, Gaussian blur like this. Good. Then I put this one over it like this. Good. Then let me create a small design here by drawing this from rectangle to, okay, like this. I give it a white. I remove the outline. Then I pick this interactive fill tool. Then I fill it with colors. Sorry, not green. This. Then we come here. Then elliptical fountain fill. Okay, like this. Then I take this transparent tool, then I blend here to the background, and I want to blend here also. Okay, so after you blend first part, you come to bitmap, convert to bitmap, then in resolution 300 is okay, color mode RGB is okay. If you print it from your color printer straight, you choose RGB. If you are printing it from let's say you do a separation to do mass production, you choose CMYK. CMYK means cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Okay, cyan means blue, and the magenta is red, and the yellow and black is but this one is just for tutorial purposes, so I'm choosing RGB. Okay, and press OK. Then you come back and take the transparent tool again, then you click here. The reason why I converted it is that if not I converted it and I take this transparent tool and bring it here again, this place will still be solid. Okay, it will still be solid. That is why I converted before I'm taking it to other side. Okay, so after this I copy it again. You press your hand on the control so that you maintain the same position. Then I pull it up. Then I reduce this one small. Then one up and one down. Just to create something nice. Okay. Good. Then your Jotter is here. So I can blend this one down here like transparent, something like transparent. I'm making it transparent down here, like a shadows and other things. Okay, because it's star what. This is my design. You can create something better. I'm just showing you how to use the tools. Okay, I've already also shown you how to copy with the mouse. You press your left button of your mouse, that's the normal button that we used to press. Okay, then you drag it wherever you like, then you right click to duplicate it or to copy it. Good. It's very simple. Or you can right click, copy, then you paste. Okay, if you paste, it has overlapped this one, it has pasted over this one. If you drag it, you see it was pasted. Good. But that one, I feel it as a long process. That is why I was doing what I was doing with the mouse. I hope you're enjoying the tutorials. Here still remains Omades, a page created to make your office simple. This one you can do it without consulting any graphic designer. Okay, so after this, I group all, then come to transparent, I drag it over them, then I choose uniform to make all the transparency equal. Okay, good. Then I right click, then I send it back to page. Good. Now viewers, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This is where we are ending, and this is a very simple Jotter cover or Notepad cover. If you have any comment or any question, please kindly drop it under the comment section. Enjoy the tutorial and thank you for watching. Bye bye.